In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A50, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Following that, to add any password that you wish to, just click on Add Password over here. Then input all of those informations. At the top, select a website or hit Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even some helpful notes. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!